Why's the hood up? What's wrong with the car?
Got a cracked timing case cover, it's broken a couple of teeth off the timing gear, the radiator's damaged at the core, it's got a cracked water pump, and a fractured injector line. It's got a fractured injector line.
Alright guys, back here at the B. Did a couple of things, almost made a big boo-boo. However, what I did was, I think I know why the squealing was happening. The alternator was kind of at an angle. It doesn't really look like it is anymore. So I took out one of the washers and moved it that way. So that worked out okay. It looks like it's straight. However, I had somebody comment on one of my videos, said my Weber was backwards. So I took that off, turned it around. Thank you for the tip, really appreciate it. So as soon as I put that back on, it wouldn't run right, and then all of a sudden I lost my spark again. But let's get to the spark later. Let's talk about that carburetor. That carburetor, took the carburetor off, put it back on, but I thought I dropped one of my washers and I thought it went down on the floor and I thought it rolled somewhere. So when I put it back on, little did I know that that washer actually fell off, and it actually was stuck in there, right there by the gasket. So that could have been a disaster if that washer found its way into the intake. So I didn't fix that problem yet because I was still working out on why I wasn't getting any spark anymore. And then for some reason, I don't know why, it is very odd, but I connected into the green and white wire, and I thought for sure I'd changed that to where it was getting power to the modulator for the AccuSpark. I thought I had that hooked up to direct power, but once the key's off, it shuts off. Apparently I had that connected to the white and the green wire, and it only stays power on while you're yeah, I think while you're cranking, and then it turns off. I have no idea how it was running before. No clue. Because the way that I actually had it hooked up, it shouldn't have been running at all. Yeah. Wonderful.
Goddamn foreign cars.
So I have no idea how the hell that happened. And then while all of a sudden it just stopped.
Gremlins.
Very weird. I did change up my gas line. I tried to put this on. It seems to be running better now. However, but look at all the dirt that was in here. Ugh, still can't get my damn horn to work. I think it's something in the steering column in my switch, because I'm getting power out there. But no drive yet. But let's see if she starts. It does sound a lot better. No more squeal. Oh, the only bad thing about the flipping that around, that only goes on one way, so you can only connect the breather to that corner. Sounds a lot better. Runs a lot smoother. Be getting this out here pretty soon. But I noticed a couple of things with the paint. Right here on the door. Right there on the corner, it's starting to, I think the clear coat is starting to come up, so it is what it is. You know, still drive it around and have fun, enjoy it. All right, guys, take it easy. Peace.